Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fascinating piece of technology designed for exploring the depths. The advanced 4K VR underwater drone with robotic arm, also known as the ultimate marine exploration tool EVO with arm. This device is built to offer an unparalleled experience when venturing beneath the surface. One of the standout features is its ability to capture footage. It comes equipped with a high-resolution camera capable of recording immersive 4K video. Imagine the clarity and detail you could capture of marine life or underwater landscapes with that kind of quality. It truly aims to bring the underwater world right to your screen. For exploration range, this drone is designed to go deep. It utilizes a robust remote control system connected via a 100-meter cable. This extended operating range allows users to explore further down than many standard devices might permit, opening up possibilities for discovering more hidden aspects of the underwater environment. The operation itself is designed to be intuitive, offering a real-time, first-person view experience. This FPV operation is facilitated by seamless Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for responsive control and live viewing of the drone's perspective. Durability is also a key aspect of its design. The unit is built to withstand a significant range of temperatures, from a chilly -10 degrees Celsius all the way up to a warm 60 degrees Celsius. This suggests it's engineered to handle various underwater conditions, from cooler temperate waters to warmer tropical seas. Powering these explorations is a substantial battery. It features a powerful 9,000 mAh battery, which provides up to 4 hours of continuous exploration time. That's a decent amount of time to conduct surveys, capture extensive footage, or simply enjoy observing the underwater world without needing to resurface frequently for recharging. The product name also highlights the inclusion of a robotic arm. While specific details on its function aren't extensively provided, the presence of a robotic arm suggests capabilities beyond just observation, potentially allowing for interaction with the environment, such as retrieving small objects or manipulating items underwater. This adds another layer to its utility as an exploration tool. Measuring approximately 15 by 13 by 5.6 inches, it appears to be a reasonably sized unit for deployment. It comes in a white color and includes the necessary battery and camera components to get started. Manufactured by Via, this tool positions itself as a comprehensive solution for serious marine enthusiasts, researchers, or anyone looking to gain a detailed, high-quality view of the underwater world with added functionality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.